Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. This vehicle has done just over 79,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, our vehicle settings, app connect and charging, radio and media, our shop, driver assist and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a leather trim.